Hey guys, it's Allie with Jeff Belzer's, and today I'm so excited to be touring the 2025 Chevrolet Trax. This is one of the most affordable compact SUVs on the market right now, so it'll be a great option for any first-time drivers if you don't want to go through the hassle of buying used, or maybe somebody just getting out of college. It's a great entry-level car, and it's a great price point. The LS trim level, which is the lowest, starts at $20,400, and the other trim levels can get up to $24,500. So even at the top trim, you're looking at a really affordable SUV. And all of the trim levels come standard with Chevy Safety Assist, so it has a ton of standard safety features, which is something we love to see for our first-time drivers. The trim levels available on the Chevy Trax are LS, 1RS, LT, 2RS, and Active. Today we're looking at the 2RS, so let's get started. The exterior has a really sleek redesign with the LED headlights drawing back into the body into an almost arrow shape. You'll see the same design in the taillights. Each trim level also has its own unique grille design, and I think this 2RS's grille gives it a really bold look. Since this is a 2RS, you'll see specific RS badging throughout the exterior, including on the grille and on the back. I also love the design of these wheels. They're 19-inch black painted machined aluminum wheels and have all-season tires. You also have roof rails starting at the LT trim and up. As I mentioned before, all trim levels come with the Chevy Safety Assist, so you'll get a lot of standard safety features there. But this one also has blind zone alert, rear cross traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. Now let's head to the front seats. We're here in the front seat of the Chevy Trax 2RS, and we have a heated steering wheel and heated front seats, and both are made out of Evotex, which is like leather, but it's a lot more spill and wear resistant. The driver is going to have an 8-inch digital display, and the infotainment screen is 11 inches, and you can access your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, climate control, and everything that you would need to get to in here. Underneath, we have a couple of vents and then some hard buttons. And then underneath that, we have a cigarette lighter, USB-C, and regular USB ports. And a lot of storage underneath here as well for your phone or change. We have our gear shifter, 2 cup holders, and a little bit of extra storage here. And then, of course, our middle console, which is actually pretty deep. Chevrolet also has a really cool feature that's available on all of their models called Teen Driver Technology. This allows you to set limits on their speed, volume, and more. And you can even see a report card that shows you what their top speed was, if any of the collision alerts went off, and more. Chevrolet is leading the game with their safety features, and it helps put your mind at ease no matter who's driving. Now let's head to the back. Back here, your passengers will have 38.7 inches of legroom, which is great, and they'll have their own USB and USB-C ports, as well as a pretty deep little storage compartment here. We have a seat back compartment on one side, and we have lower anchors on both outboard seats and tether anchors along the back of all 3. And to access the back, or to put these down for extra storage with the trunk, you just pull this lever and fold it down. We've made it to the back of the Trax, and for storage, you're going to have about 25.6 cubic feet of storage, which translates to about 3 feet wide and 3 feet deep. There's also a little bit of extra storage underneath here with our spare tire. And there is a little cubby over here on the side for your milk to sit when you get your groceries. Don't want that rolling around. And if you put the second row down, you're going to have a maximum of 54.1 cubic feet of storage. Under the hood, we have a 1.2-liter turbo engine, which gives you a combined 30 miles per gallon, which is amazing. One thing to note is that the Trax is only available in front-wheel drive, so you won't be seeing this in all-wheel drive. So if that is a priority for you, you might want to look at one of Chevrolet's bigger SUVs like Trailblazer, Equinox, or Blazer. The Chevy Trax is a really great and affordable option, and it comes with all of the essential safety and comfort features that you would look for in a vehicle. If you have any questions or want to take a test drive for yourself, be sure to stop by Jeff Belzer's Chevrolet in Prague or Lakeville to try it out for yourself.